Hello everyone, Michael Lee here from the reviewer. Today we have this pocket camera, a gimbal camera from Ordro. So this is the M5 model. There's another one older model which is the M3. So this is actually something similar to your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 or Pocket 2, you know. So it allows you to record in 5K. You can choose between 5K, 4K, 2.7K or 180p. So let's move on. So you can see it has 1 and 2.5 CMOS sensor, 5K at 30 frames per second, 3.5-inch rotating screen. So the screen itself is big, which is a good thing because when you go out to the outdoors, so sometimes a small screen makes it difficult for you to actually see the menu or the photos itself or the videos that you're taking. It's a 3-axis gimbal stabilization, okay, 4-way rotation of the lens, face following, okay, 120 ultra wide angle, so it can take a very large area for you. WDR, okay, is a wide dynamic range. Then it is compact and portable. Okay, so in the box, what you'll get is the M5 camcorder, the USB cable, carrying case, the hand strap. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. Alright, so right in the box we have the Ordro case. So it's empty, so let's put that away. Okay. Put the box away. So now you have the case itself. So it's a semi-hard case. See, looks nice. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay. Well, it looks nice. You have the USB-C charging cable, the hand strap, okay, the menu. Okay, this is the user manual. Then you have the cloth, okay, and then on this side, okay, you have the Ordro M5 itself. So this product actually I ordered it specifically for my China Xinjiang trip. So I like to see how good is this, okay, whether it can match up with the the Insta360 X3, okay, that we have reviewed earlier. See whether I'm going to bring both of them to Xinjiang, China to check the sceneries and the views, you know. So let's see which one takes a better photo. And also my trusty phone, which I'm using the OnePlus 12. It has a very good camera as well. So here you can see this is the screen itself, a very big screen, okay, 3.5-inch. Then this is the gimbal itself, okay, the camera, okay. And then there's navigation buttons over here, okay. Also at the side you have the zoom, okay, and then the power on button, and then you have the SD card, okay. So this is where you put in the SD card and also charging. On the other side, okay, you have the AEL, okay, and then you have the infrared as well. Another function of this camera, okay, is it can take infrared night vision. So at a very dark area, it can take night vision for you. So let's see on the other side here, you have the USB, okay, and also 3.5mm mic jack. So you can actually have an external microphone that you can actually insert into here. I actually purchased an external microphone, okay, so this is how it looks like. So basically what you can do is you can just plug this in into the external mic, okay, like this. Okay, now you have an external mic that is attached to here, and it can actually capture the sounds and everything. And then you can have another extension here for you to hold the camera. So it looks good, okay. I will have another video to show how is the quality of this device, whether it actually better than the Insta X3 or, you know, worse than that. So stay tuned, okay, like and subscribe. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a nice day.